kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Nongbah ke Jylla Meghalaya Conrad Konggel Sangma ke sengi sajan jong katayo kat prateri ku jemang arajar arpusau ulaong baka Sorkar kala rai ban pendan kam nya ke jaka ke ba amduna ya ke arpusan akar naga bentai ke jing don kam bat ke jing shna bapher ki bedai bat ki project ki batmu ban Pynkylla dur ya ke Nongbah Shillong bat ru ban penwandur hakarukom ke bai itenan. Hagani ke sengi la senran lang yu Menteri Nongbah de ki sahab ke tenat PWD Urban Affairs Forest ban nak ketenat environment ke bau Menteri Nongbah ula jurip ke office terekam jo ke PWD nangta ke Pan Nong Light Park Brightwell Bungalow ke badan Habarik Point nangta ke Anjali Point bat ke Polo habaya keran berkilat pathai khubor Menteri Nongbah ula ong baka Sorkar Jylla kala thmu ban penbahai gelentiat kijan nangta ki jaka songkai pengat bat ban penjerngam yeki ban ailat yeki kam snaplim batru ban ajaka sa hakibabon ki jaka patba haba keren halor ke jingbu yeki museums bat kiwei ki jing penek pensa yeki mati ulong shwa man shwa nakaliang Menteri Nongbah ula pentip ban sashna yeki niru nega benta ban peninam yeki jing reus pa ke Jylla Meghalaya mat ke jing hiar pateng Shushu sangma ula ong ru bahaki benta jong ke Barik Point an sashna yeki jing tai ki bala ban wanra thmai ke bakin thop nadu ke babu ya ke lama jong ke ri ke bala ban yo ina barok ki benta jong ke Nongbah ke ban peni ya ke dak jong ke jing along ka wei bat ru ke jing sarong ye ke Jylla Menteri Nongbah ula pentip ruha ke bede bagi jaka ki bedang lan an sepedan kam nega benta ban shna ye ki jing don kam pat ba ki bakin thop nadu ki dukan bam ni ki restaurant ki jaka penyeng kali bat ki wei ki jing don kam ban la ban penon kam ni ki pat ba ke Nongbah badru ki bawan don kam haga bede bat ke jingbo ya ki jaka ban thong jing thong hagi babon ki benta pala shnaru ki jing penmandur laban rap Menteri Nongbah daga ba ong ban sapenti kena ye ki jing sumar ke babiang bat ke ba an penthot ya ke jing jarngam kat ba ke jing shna ye ki jing don kam kadang ya shakman haba keren halor ke jing khap ngia ki kali Nongbah Shillong Menteri Nongbah ula ong ba kala don ke jing sedang ke bakin thop neruk ke basna ye ki jaka penyang kali ye ki jaka bapher badru ke jaka penyang kali ke bala ban bu bon teli ki kali ha kawai ke jaka Shushu Conrad ha kapor bapenlong ye jing jurep ula ptharu ye ke tenat cloud jong ke Sorkar bahkan kenria ye ki merat na ke jaka songkai pengat jong ke Pan Nong Light Park sya ke jaka bala sna thmai ke badai ke State Zoo ke badan Haribhoi District nolor kini Conrad ula jurep ru ha ke bede bat ke jing shna ye ke yo ke bahe Apollo.
We can have a space allotted to them where we can do that. Not necessarily the building. Yeah. Somewhere here, we can dedicate it. There are many buildings also. So one of the buildings, yeah. This one should be made into a museum here with architects. And in fact, the stuff is very from the DC office, the archives. Yeah. Those archives you can put some of them here. World War I, Civil War. This is such information from the class, for example. Page, what you control the page, but netting. They used to control the engineering operations. Same area, that side only. So let's use there. Yes, no problem. Where we are making the new offices. Here is where we have created a public plaza here. Some cultural, sorry? Yeah, I mean, yeah, I just feel bad to dismantle our old buildings, you know, I just feel very wrong. Trees and old buildings, I just feel like affecting too much. They can minimize their impact. Yeah, I remember. Conrad Hills only. So he used to stay here. So he used to come as small children. I was like, what, 11 years old. So I've been in this bungalow from that time. I mean, not lived, but seen it. So yeah. And then said, well, it's nice restaurant, some cultural aspect, some part can be. So whoever runs this place, a private sector only, we lease it out to private sector or whatever, give a management contract. Well, that. I'll speak to the police. I am within. We'll show the design first. Badminton courtyard is there earlier, so that part we are planning to. Oh yeah. So which part is so wherever the children's park is here, like no, this is here. This one is there. That one is there. Yeah, we're going to build up anything. Just provide space for. And the entire process of redoing this particular park has already been planned. Part of the plan is to extend some space for the civil hospital, which you can see behind me. So we will be extending space and giving some space from here for the civil hospital, so that more beds can come here and more facilities can be brought out. At the same time, we are in the process of shifting the animals from the park to the permanent location, which is the zoo, which is almost complete, and in the month of June we should be able to shift most of the animals to the zoo, to the enclosure that has been built out there. And once all of this is done, then we will start a proper reconstruction and renovation of the entire park, which will include a large number of facilities that will come up. At the same time, there will be some section behind where we are also planning to use for a parking lot, so that there could be some decongestion in the city, and that process also will start very soon. So we have come here today with the entire team to study this and to look at the plans, and we hope that this will be one step towards ensuring that we are able to decrease the overall congestion in the city of Shillong. That for the first time, in fact, in the history of the state, some major interventions in regards to the utility of the land that is owned by the government and the different departments of the government is being done in Shillong city. Close to about 25 acres of land belonging to government is going to be rationalized, and we will try to utilize maximum the entire land utility with the objective of decreasing the congestion in the city, creating more walking space, and creating overall more beautification for Shillong city. So behind me, as you can see, that we have the Barrack point, and this is a PWD land area. There is a plan to completely utilize this to create an open space for the public, create a parking space on the side, and have small buildings which will be more like museums and promote the culture of us, of our state and the history of our state. At the same time, have small eating joints and small place where tourists can come in and really get an experience of Shillong city. At the same time, right here, we also intend to have a very high national flag hoisted here, which will be, as I said, at the heart of the city, which will again be a very strong, icon in the city in the center of the city, which again will send a very strong message. So that is what the plan is for the Barrack point out here, and we expect that by July end or by August we should be able to shift the offices from here and start the work maybe sometime in the month of September. and quickly be able to convert this into a nice open space, a green space, and a space where tourists can really enjoy the city. Comprehensive plan to maximize the utility of the land and the government space that we have in the city. Another example is the Brightwell Bungalow, which is right behind me. As you're aware that this is again in a very strategic location and heart of the city, and our intention is to convert this area without disturbing the trees out here. There's enough open space. We clear it up and convert this into a parking lot and work towards how we could keep the bungalow and convert that also into something of a public utility where tourists maybe can come in and different utilities can be given to the people. So in a location like this, if we have a parking lot out here which could accommodate close to about 200 to 300 vehicles, so entire congestion around here, Pine Mount School, the Secretariat, the Sosotham and other offices which are around here, the parking can be in this place rather than on the roads, which ultimately leads to the congestion that we have. So this is again one part, and we expect that in this area also in about a matter of few months we should be able to start the work to flatten this place and create this into a parking space, so that we'll have more space for the for cars to park, and which will lead further to the decongestion of